You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these type of vegetables. It's a type of plants. It's a classification essentially in biology. If you want to learn more names from science like this, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you, more food names too. Cruciferous is how it is pronounced. Vegetables. Cruciferous. How to pronounce in English. British English and American English pronunciations are similar as cruciferous vegetables. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.